Okay, my name is Destiny. I am a new gold consultant. This training is going to be about how to create a website using GoDaddy. This is just one that I'm super familiar with since I created my website on there. So we're gonna wing it and see how this goes. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so I actually created a whole new, everybody can see my screen, right? I actually created a whole new email and everything. I'm going to walk you guys completely through the process, how to create an account and everything. My chat box is up, so if you guys have any questions, make sure you post them and I'll answer them. Okay. 1 second. Okay, so obviously first thing you guys want to do is you want to create an account. And also, yeah, I'm going to show you guys the free way on how to make a website on here. So this is going to be free. I'm going to create a whole new account because I want you guys to be able to see it from scratch on how to do everything. Okay. I don't think we have to accept. There's normally something that pops up in your email for you to accept, but I think you can actually go ahead and get started without doing that. Before you actually post your site, before you actually like make it live and active, I believe you do have to like confirm your account through email, but we don't have to worry about that right now. So after you get signed up, this is the screen that's going to pop up. Since we don't have anything yet with GoDaddy, basically you're just going to click Start Shopping, which is right here on the main screen. And this is going to bring you to creating a domain or your first website for free. So right here on the right-hand side, create your free website. That's what we're going to click on. And you see it says no credit card required, so that's always nice. You don't have to put a credit card on here unless you end up wanting to buy something. That's all on you guys. You guys can do that different. So what's the best category for you? You want to select, obviously we're into travel, so something along those lines, and it will actually bring up templates and stuff like that related to travel. And it really helps make your website look more like a travel agency, in my opinion anyway. You can do travel agency, just travel service. I do, or travel blog even. I always do travel agency. And then for what you should call your site, this is all up to you guys, really. My name is Destiny Travel, so I just make it that. Okay. I guess this is new. They have little tips here that walk you guys through some stuff, so that's pretty cool. That's new. Okay, so I didn't make any notes for this training today, so we're just going to kind of wing it. I pretty much know how to work everything on here, so. Okay, so the first thing, let's see, I'm going to be going off my site while we're doing this one. So, okay, so the first thing you want to do is this is kind of like your attention grabber. This is what's really going to catch everybody's attention. So you want to make sure you know, I always have my your name, your business name or whatever. And so if you, each section that you want to edit, basically, so like if I click on this section, it's going to pop up everything I can edit in this section. Okay, we're going to be able to choose our colors for the website, and it's the same with each little section. Okay, so let's start just right up here at the top. Okay, so we can change this picture right here. Of course, we want to do something travel related. So this is the image that they have, and you can just trash that. And if you click add an image, you can actually upload your own image that you find off the internet or whatever. Or they actually have some of their own, they call stock media. If you click view more, they have all kinds of stuff. They have really good ones on here. I actually normally just pick ones off of here. If you search like travel or vacation, something like that, lots of really cool things pop up. Let's see here. Yeah, you can do, there's a lot of really good ones on here. I'm not going to spend too much time on trying to make it super pretty. I just want you guys to kind of see how it works, and it's really going to make you guys, you know, look more professional. I really like it. So we'll just do something like this. Okay. So this is the picture I chose. Let's say that I didn't like the way that this section was set up right here, or maybe even the whole site was set up. You can edit that. So I probably should have showed you guys that first. So if you go to, I believe it's theme. Yeah. So if you click on theme and you go to try a new look, these are going to be templates that's going to pop up, all different ways that your site's going to look. So like this one, that's just a full picture across. That's the way I did mine originally, but there's so many different ones you can choose from, and all this is going to be able to be edited. You can edit all this. So let's see, let's do this one. I'm going to do this one. Okay, so now that we picked the template that we like, let's pick our colors that we want. So for some reason, when they do the colors, basically you get black and white, and then you get one color of your choice. I don't know why they do that. Even on the page version, it's the same way. I'm not sure why they do that. So my colors are pink and black for my like business. So I normally do, you know, I try to stick with my business colors. Try to stick with them. So I chose my pink color. So now whenever I each section that I go to, if I want to change the color on something, let's see here. So like I clicked on this section, if I want to change the color of like the background or anything like that, you can click the colors and it will actually change the color. You can do each one different, you can do them all the same, whatever, but you want to get one color plus the black and white. I'm not sure why it does that. I've tried to go in and edit to where I can get 3 different colors, all the ones that I want. I don't know, it doesn't do that. So okay, so something you can do up here, you can edit this. So I'm also going to show you guys how to attach a jot form to the website. So basically, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm not sure. Let's see here. We could put, you could put whatever. You could put, let's not do that. Just put book your next vacation. And then down here to edit the button, you could put book now. Just kind of like an attention grabber. They're going to see that, and they're going to scroll through your site and see all this, and they're going to click right there to book with you. So basically, when they click on that book now, we want to direct them obviously somewhere to book with you. Some people like will just put their contact information. I like to use Jotform, so I'm going to show you guys how to attach a Jotform to this. It sounds kind of confusing right now, but as soon as I get logged in here and show you guys how to do it, it's going to make a lot of sense. Okay, I know some of the newer people might not be familiar with Jotform, but Jotform is basically like I make, let's see, where's my form? This is my form that I send to clients when they are getting ready to book with me, so that way I know all the details of their trip. So I just made this form, and it's literally every little detail of their trip, you know, all the information, everything. So obviously when they click book now on my website, I want them to go straight to this page. So, okay, so what you do is when you're on your Jotform, you open up whatever, you obviously have to go in and create your own whatever. If you guys get on the Evolution Q&A page and just type in Jotform, all kinds of stuff is going to pop up, and they'll give you all kinds of ideas on how to make a Jotform and everything. You can even YouTube how to create a Jotform. There's like all kinds of stuff on YouTube. That's actually how I taught myself. So anyway, once you're finished creating your Jotform and you open it up like this, you just will copy this link right here. And we're going to come over here. We click on our button, and we want to send them to a website URL. So you're going to click website URL. So you're going to paste your Jotform in there. And then you just hit done. And when you do that, so now after you publish your site, when they click on book now, it is going to send them straight to this page. They're going to fill it out, and when they submit it at the end, it's going to go straight to your email. So every time somebody wants to book something with you or whatever, they're on your site, just happen to come across it, it's going to go straight to your email, so you're going to know right away. Okay, let's see here. Let's do how did I do mine? So the way I set my website up was I deleted a lot of the stuff on the first page, and I just did kind of like the services that we offer. Let's see here. Let's add. So if you want to add a section, it's right here. You can just, these little plus signs, well, you can add whatever. So if you click add a section, all kinds of stuff pops up. They have like the recommendations. I like to go to, let's see here. There's one that I really like. Let's see, the content. Because I want something that has pictures, because I'm going to show off our services. Like, you know, we do cruises, flights, resorts, all that. So I want to be able to attach pictures to really catch people's attention. So I think that's what your website should be all about, is catching people's attention, make it bright, you know, get good pictures in there. So yeah, we can just do this. This one has pictures, and you can also add a text with this, so that's good. Okay, so you can actually click on each little one to edit it. For right here, this is just going to be our services, you know, that we offer. So, okay. So for instance, you could do, this could be your flight and hotel. You're just showing them what you guys have. And then, I mean, you could just put really whatever you wanted down here. You don't even have to put anything down there if you don't want, but I did on mine. You know, I'd put little attention grabbers down here. And then, you know, it's a flight and hotel, so we want to edit the picture, of course. You know, you want to change your image to something either with a flight or hotel. You type in hotel, all kinds of really cool stuff pops up. You obviously want to find a really nice one. Let's see. They got all kinds of stuff in here. They have really good stock images on here. I recommend using this and not Google, honestly. So let's do this one. And then, you know, there's that right there. There's your first one. It looks really good, actually. If you wanted to like bolden your letters, you can also do that. So if you look over here on the right, you just have to highlight it and bolden them, or whatever. You can slant them, whatever you guys think looks best. Just mess that up. Okay, so and it also lets you add an action button. So like if you really wanted to, you could add an action button to each one of these, and an action button is just like the book now that we did up here. So if I really wanted to, I could click action button, show the action button. You can do find out more, or that you can do book now. So it could be like a book their hotel now, and it would send them straight to your jot form or whatever. I didn't do that personally for my website. I just did just like the services, you know, everything we have. So you can go through here and just keep going, you know, do cruises and change the picture to a cruise or something. I think I actually haven't done. I was actually just looking at that because I believe you can actually like click on the picture and like add a link to like, so say that they were just scrolling through your site and they click on the cruise ship picture. You can actually add a link, so you could just like copy and paste your jot form right into there, and it would bring them straight to your jot form. So you don't necessarily have to have the button, but I didn't do that either on mine. Okay, so I'm not gonna like make a really detailed website. I just want to show you guys everything that you guys can do on it. So basically that's where I would put all my services. And I did even though I already had the book now up here, I went ahead and added another section right here, and it was a contact us section. Let's see here, wait a second, let me find one. It's just a really small little thing. It was this right here. I just did at the end of my services, I just made a little contact us for a quote. And then this little button you can edit and put, actually what I did on my actual site was I added the action button, and I made my button say contact us for a quote. And then you can, you know, change the picture back here to cover photo, change image to whatever you want. Oh, that's going to bring up contacts. You can make it, you know, whatever you want. And then, so for your button, basically on your website, I'm going to show you guys how to make a contact page. So this button, we're going to come back to this button because I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do that. Basically, you're going to send this button. I'm going to show you guys how to send this button to somewhere else on your page. So you would send it to the contact us section. But I don't want to do that yet because we want to go edit ourselves first and get all that done before we before we send it there. So we're going to come back and edit that. The join our mailing list, I did that on my website as well. So basically what that is you'll have like it'll go to your email. You'll have like a list of emails basically, which is really good to have because let me show you guys something really quick. On my website, this is my original website, I have the join our mailing list section, and when they enter their email address in, it comes to me in my email. And not only does it do that, but it also, when I post stuff on my website, like I have a section for vacation packages and more. Whenever I update these, and it's kind of like my blog, I guess, whenever I update these, it actually sends it straight to them in their email. So that's really cool to do. I can also show you guys how to do that. We'll get to that though. Let's do your, let's finish the home page and then we'll do the careers page. So one more thing I had on my regular website is I did like the opportunity. Of course, if you're team building, this is good to do. If you're not team building, then you don't really have to worry about it. So I did, let's see here. You want to put something about, not that, hang on. We want to do a small section here, something like this. Okay, you can change the color on it too. You guys don't always have to do like, you know, whatever. So this could just be like our opportunity section. So if you're team building, you could put, let's see. Opportunity, and then you could do, I'm gonna make the text smaller down here because I want this up here to be bigger. I don't think you can make that one bigger. Normally if you just highlight the text like I just did, it will give you the option to make it bold, slanted. This right here is how you make it smaller or bigger, but it's not letting me do that on the title. But anyway, you could just put if you are interested in learning how to become a travel coordinator or travel agent or whatever, booking agent, whatever you want. If you're interested in learning how to become a travel coordinator, please contact us for more information or whatever. You can just put whatever you want there. I believe on mine I just put opportunity, home-based travel agent. If you or anyone you know would like to learn about earning money as a at home as a travel agent, we personally coach people how to book travel effectively at the convenience of their home. And then what they would do is they click right here if they're interested, and it brings them to an application. Okay, this is something that you would also create on JotForm. This is only if you're team building. If you guys are not team building, you don't have to worry about this. So yeah, you guys could just create a little application like I did and connect it the same way you did the other form. Okay, anyway. Okay, yeah, so for the mailing list, this is actually really good to have because not only do you get emails that you can use those emails to send out, like some people do like email marketing where you can send out like emails about vacation packages and stuff like that. So this is a really good way to get emails for that and all kinds of stuff. So it's really good to do that. I definitely recommend it. So yeah, you can just, it's pretty much already pretty much spot on what you guys need, but let's see here. There's a way to, yeah, okay, so yeah, I just go straight to your email. You don't even have to mess with it really. It automatically goes straight to your email. Okay, so let's do the contact page. So it's really good to have a contact page. Obviously, contact us. They actually have see here. They actually have like a whole contact section with all different kinds of stuff. If you have like an actual location where you want your like map showing, you can have that. That's what that would look like. That would just a small map like this. I'm going to show you guys how to attach your social media links as well. Is this all making sense to everybody? Am I going too fast? Am I talking too fast? Or am I not like going into enough detail? You guys got to let me know, because I don't know how well, you know, you guys are with the internet and stuff like that. So just let me know if I need to go in more detail on something. Let me know, because I will walk you guys completely through if I need to. Thank you. Okay, so I really like pictures. So for like the contact section, I like to do like the picture behind it, or maybe even just like a small picture, something like that. I don't know, but that's a good picture, honestly, I think. So you could just do, let's see, how do I do mine? I keep referring back to my website because I can't remember exactly how I did mine. So my contact section. Okay, so let's see, I just made mine all black and I did contact us and travel. Okay, so contact us. There's a way. You know what? I actually don't like this one, because on this form you can't. There's nowhere for them to like enter their information. So we're gonna change this. I don't like that. So hang on. So anytime you want to change like the section that you chose, you just click on it, and where it says layout, you click on layout, and it will take you through all the templates. See, I like the ones that are like this, where you can like they can actually enter their information. So contact us. I like to put my, let's see how it was. And then let's see, down here I like to put like, I try to make it sound like I am super professional and like, you know, we are legit travel agencies, but I don't want to say that. Like, you just want to sound professional. So I personally would put something like, one of our agents will be in touch with you as soon as possible. Something like that. Just to let them know, you know, once they send the email out, we'll get right back to them as soon as possible, or whatever. You can actually, I believe you can change these. You can insert, let's see. Oh, you can also, like, if you want, you can make certain fields required. So like if you want them to put their name, just mark it as required over here. Email, there's one you can add for a phone number. I gotta figure out how you add it. Let's see. Maybe not. Maybe it doesn't let you add the phone number. Oh yeah, well I guess you could just do like single line text right here, and you could just do phone number or whatever and make it required. You can do whatever you want. And then you could just contact them back, or it is kind of good to have a little message box down here, so that way they can message you and ask questions or whatever, contact you with whatever they need to contact you with. I normally make all fields required because you want to have a way to contact them back and everything. So, okay, so right here, how do I get back to that? 1 second, guys. there's a way to, okay, there we go. Okay, so if you click right here where it says contact form, get in touch, when you're on your contact page, click right there. This is how you change like the title and everything, of course. So it says send message to. So wherever you set this email address as, right here. So if I wanted to change my email address to like my business email, I could totally do that. And every time I get a message from this contact page, it's gonna go straight to my email. So that's really good to have that. You can change it to whatever. It doesn't necessarily have to be the email that you signed up with. Okay, so let's do the social media stuff. Okay. Something like follow us on social media, which is really good to have. On my website, I put a few of these on a couple of my pages because, you know, you really want to get your people following you on social media to see all your vacation packages and everything like that. So let's see here. So you want to, basically all you have to do is, like, if you want to connect your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, it's got all this stuff down here, YouTube account, LinkedIn, you just go and copy your link and paste it in there. So if I wanted to connect my Facebook account, I would just go to my profile, copy this link right here, paste it right in there. Bam, there's the Facebook one. Same thing with like LinkedIn. If I wanted to connect my LinkedIn account, I would just go to my profile. You have to go to your profile, or else when you copy the link, it's not going to send them to your profile. Paste it right there in the LinkedIn box. There's LinkedIn, and then same for like YouTube, Twitter, whatever you guys use. I use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, all that. So you can just put whatever you want in there. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so on my website, I have, let's see, it's always good to have an about section. We're going to get to that in a second. I want to show you guys how to put reviews on your website. So these are all my reviews from Facebook. Right here, these are all my reviews from Facebook, which is really good. Okay, I got 100% recommendation, so that's pretty good. And then these are my reviews on Google. So that's awesome that, you know, I got all these on here too, and that's out of 20, so that's really good. And I mean, they can, like, you know, they can click on, read everything. You know, of course, I got another follow us on social media down here with all my stuff. And I even have it at the bottom of my page. Okay, so how to put reviews on your page. Also, you guys don't have to keep these certain tabs. You can totally change your tabs. And by doing that, if you just click home right here, when you go right here to page, it just is all the pages you guys have. If you click manage pages, you can move some around. You can delete the page or whatever, like the facts page. Oops, didn't mean to do that. So the facts page, you know, I don't really need that, so I delete that. You know, it's good to have an about page. So if you want to add a page, click right here, click add a page. You can have it to where it just shows up another tab on here, or you can send it to a certain website. You can have it as like a drop down menu. So like, let's say I wanted to do a more section. Okay. And let's see, click create page. Okay, so now we have a more section. Okay, but under my more section, I want to have my contact page and my about page. Okay, so let's see, page settings. Oh, that's not what you do. Hang on. We want to manage pages. We got to move our contact section under the more section. I believe that's how you do it. How do you connect them? How did I do that? See, this is why I should have took notes, you guys. Manage pages. Okay, right here. Okay, so what I did was when you are looking at all your pages and you click manage pages, you just go to the little three dots on the side and you would go to manage content. And so to add stuff under this more section, you click add page. So if we wanted to have our contact us page here, that's what you would do. And you just click create page. And then so the contact us page is under the more section. Okay. But it's not the one that you already created. So like what I'm saying is you'd have to delete the one you already did, or else you're gonna have it on there twice. So you delete the one you already did. I deleted the wrong one. Let me do it again. Crystal's laughing at me. Okay, contact us. Okay. So anyway, what I'm trying to say is right here, you go to your contact page and it's empty. So you actually have to like add, redo your whole contact section again. But it's really cool to have like the more section, because then you don't have, or whatever it is, because then you don't have like a bunch of tabs open or a bunch of tabs up at the top. It's a little bit more cleaner. Another thing I would put under my more section is I would do like an about or something. Like post a picture of yourself, tell about yourself. I'll show you guys how I did mine in just a minute. See, I don't know why that is like, why is it doing that? Okay. Let's see here, hang on. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. Why is it not dropping down? Oh, I know why. Okay, so when you go to your more section, add section. Okay, I see. Okay, so I was doing it all wrong. That's why it wasn't working. But basically, okay, so like basically you guys are really just gonna have to like play around with it, because that's really how I taught myself. So there's there's probably a lot of stuff I still don't know about the website. You really just have to kind of click around, play around. I want to show you guys how to, I cannot get the more section to work. I don't know what's going on with it. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. I don't know. But that's okay. Okay. Anyway, so I want to show you guys how to put your reviews on here. Okay, so to actually do the reviews, you have to so you have to basically connect your Facebook page and your Google page to your website. So it says right here you can connect it. So if you click on this, let's see what it does, because I feel like, or you can add your reviews manually. You can actually just like, this is actually probably the easier way to do it. So like what I would do is I would just go, if I was inputting my Google business reviews, or let's say I was inputting my Facebook reviews, just go to your business page and go to your reviews. So right here is, don't lie, just put whatever you guys have actually been reviewed, whether it's not the best review or not, because honestly that makes it look more legitimate. and you know, one bad review or one okay review isn't gonna kill your business. So yeah, you guys can just, you know, copy and paste it. Here's review number 1, and then just put the name or whatever, okay? And then you just put the name, and that's gonna insert the name at the top in the review. Or technically that's for the title, but I would put the name or something. So you can just do it that way, or you can connect it and have it automatically. You can connect it and have it automatically upload. So to do that, you actually have to publish your website. So right here in the bottom right hand corner, if you guys see it says your website needs to be published before connecting to my Google business, you would actually have to publish it in order to do that. Let's see here. I want to show you guys. There's another, okay, so I'm gonna have to probably add to this training later on or something, because the site has to be published basically for you to do that. But after you like publish your site, when you log back in, and you're gonna go to edit your site, there's gonna be a button that talks about connecting your Google business site, and it's going to be outside of editing your site. It's going to be outside of this. It's going to be in your GoDaddy account. There's going to be a button that talks about connecting your Google business page. Basically, all you're going to do is connect it, and the reviews are going to automatically upload. So I can't exactly show you that because the page has to be published, but it's super easy. And if you guys can't figure that part out, you can just add them in manually. You know, that's easy to do. You can change the background and all that, everything just like you could on the other ones. Okay, let's see. So for your about section, I want to show you guys what my about section looks like. So yeah, I just put a picture of myself. I put a little bit about me, a little bit about my family, and then I introduced, you know, Nikki Lee and Charles Lee, the people that pretty much like founded the company and stuff like that. To kind of introduce kind of where the company came from, basically. So I just tried to not put just me on there because I felt like it looked more professional to show where everything really came from. So I put them on there. Okay, so another thing I wanted to show you guys is the careers page. If you are team building, this is amazing to have. I tell everybody this all the time. It's so good to have. You know, you can post this everywhere. You can, every time you make a status about, or a job post or whatever, whether it's on LinkedIn, Facebook, whatever, Instagram, you can post your link to your careers page in whatever, Facebook, whatever. And when they come here and they click on schedule an online meeting, it's going to take them to the application that you created through Jotform. You have to actually go in and create this first, obviously, and connect it to your GoDaddy page. But it's going to be really great to have. I mean, I get all kinds of people all day long. I mean, I got these here just from the last couple hours. You know, I get people all day long for off my website that have applied. So yeah, it works pretty well. Another thing I definitely recommend, yeah, and when you create this on your, it's just the same way we did with the homepage. You know, you just literally add a section, select what section you want. I'm going to try to wrap this up here in a few minutes, guys, because it's almost been an hour. So basically, you know, you just add a section, select whatever you want. If you want to upload a video, you can upload a video. If you want to upload a blog, that's what I did for my vacation packages and stuff. I uploaded a blog, and I clicked this one right here, you know, and I had a whole page on just my blog. You know, you can go in and manage your blog, and it actually takes you to another site because you have to actually make your blog here. But I don't want to get into this one too much because this is a whole nother long thing. I'm actually going to do another training to kind of finish up everything. Probably tomorrow to finish up the rest of this, or the next day to finish up the rest of the website training, because I still want to show you guys some stuff. I still want to show you guys how to like actually create a blog, and then I'll have to probably publish the page and show you guys how to upload your reviews, because I know there's going to be a lot of questions on that. So yeah, when you're creating your blog, you just create a post, you go in, you add pictures, text, and everything, and it comes out, and it looks like this, and people can, they can click on it to continue reading it. Right here, it's, whole vacation package. They can comment, whatever. They can sign up to receive these in their email every time I upload one. So it's really cool to do that. I've actually had a few people sign up, not a whole lot, but I have had a few people sign up and receive these in their email. So every time I update it, they do get that in their email. I'm trying to think here. Is there anything I need to go over a little bit more in depth besides the review thing? I'm gonna have to probably do a little recording on that for you guys to show you guys exactly how to add the reviews in there. Let me see here. I'm gonna see something. But my best recommendation for you guys is to definitely go in and do some clicking around. That's going to be like the best way for you guys to really learn about it. I just showed you guys a few of the things that I didn't really understand that I could do. Oh, also there is an app. It's called GoDaddy. It's an app. It is a little green and black app. It's much easier to work on your phone. I originally planned on doing this training on my phone, but I did not tonight. If you download the app, everything that I just explained is going to be much easier on your phone. You can create the whole website on your phone. So it's going to be a lot easier probably to do it on that. So definitely I would try it on your phone first, because that's going to be much easier for you guys. So any questions? Does anybody have anything? Do I need to go over anything anymore in depth? Let's see here. Okay, guys, I hope I didn't